Algebraic expressions of class 7. In this chapter, you have to learn about the product of algebraic expressions. The worksheet 1 of this chapter, find the product. Here is the monomials, the product of monomials. Monomial multiplied by monomials. 9x cube. Cube means power 3 into 2x raised to power 4. Okay. The product of 9x cube into 2x raised to power 4. First we have to multiply 9 into 2 number by number, and thus if the variable is same, in product the powers has to be added. 3 plus 4 7. The answer is 18 x raised to power 7. Okay. In this next, minus 6a square into 5a raised to power 7. The product will be minus 6 into 5 into a raised to power 2 plus 7. Just add the powers of variable minus 30 a raised to power 9. And the third one, same, minus 8 into minus 4, and add the, this is the base, and add the powers 9 plus 3. 8 4s are 32 by raised to power 12. This is the question number 1. Now question number 2. Same question, multiplied the monomials 1, 2 and 3. Question number 2. Find the product of 7pq into 4 by 3p square qq. Now first multiply 7 into 4 by 3 and add the powers of p, 1 plus 2, and q power 1 plus 3. The answer is 7 4s are 28 by 3, p raised to power 3, q raised to power 4. And the second, 12a square b raised to power 6 c raised to power 8 into minus 3 a raised to power 7 b raised to power 4 and c raised to power 3. First multiply the numbers 12 into minus 3 and add the powers of same variable a, 2 and 7. 2 plus 7. And b, 6 plus 4. And c, 8 plus 3. Minus 36 a raised to power 9, b raised to power 10 and c raised to power 11. Now third, 2 by 5 into 5 by 3. First add the power of x, 2 plus 3. Y, 1, 1 plus 2, and z only 2. The answer is 5 cancel, 2 by 3, x raised to power 5, y raised to power 3 and z raised to power 2. This is the answer. Question number 3, multiplied the monomials. Okay. 3 monomials. First, 3 into 4 into minus 5. Number 3 into 4 into minus 5 and x raised to power 7 plus 2 plus 3. Just add the powers of same variable. 12 5 is 60 and x raised to power 7 plus 2 9, 9 and 3 12. Okay. Next, second of this 1.2 into 5 into 1.1. A, 2 1 5. 2 plus 1 plus 5. B, 2 4 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1. And C, 2 and 7. The answer is 12 5 is 60, 6.6 into a raised to power 8 b raised to power 7 and c raised to power 9. Now the third, 3 by 4 p cube multiplied 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 6, and variable p power 1 plus 2. Add the power, here is p 1 and 2, 3. Now q 1 plus 1 plus 3 r 2 and 5. Now 2 3 ja 6 minus 3 45 by 4 p raised to power 3 q raised to power 5 and r raised to power 7. Question number 4. Find the product of 1 by 2x cube into minus 10x into 1 by 5x square and verify the result for x equal to 1. The product of 1 by 2x cube, just 1 by 2 into minus 10 into 1 by 5 and add the power of x, 3 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6. And 5 2s are 10, minus 1. Minus 1 into x raised to power 6. Now verify the result for x equal to 1. Now just put x equal to 1 in LHS. 1 by 2, 1 cube minus 10 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 square. 1 by 2 minus 10 into 1 by 5. 1 cube equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1. The product equal to minus 1. And RHS is minus 1 raised to power, RHS is minus 1 into x raised to power 6. It means minus 1 into 1 raised to power 6. This is also minus 1. It means LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Verify for x equal to 1 means that the value of product remains the same. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the product of minus 3x by z, 4 by 9x square z and minus 27 by 2x y square z and verify the result for x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to minus 1. First product of these three numbers. Same, minus 3 into 4 by 9 into minus 27 by 2. And power of x, 1 plus 2 plus 1. And y, 1. Here is 1 power and here is 2. And z, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here is 3z. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is 9 3s are 27. 2 2s are 4. The product is 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. X raised to power 4, y raised to power 3 and z raised to power 3. This is the RHS and this LHS. Now put the value in LHS. X equal to 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to minus 1. X equal to 2. Minus 3, 3xyz, x equal to 2. Y equal to 3 and z equal to minus 1. एक नंबर ये हो गया. Second, 4 by 9 x square means 2 into 2. X equal to 2, it means 2 into 2 into z is minus 1. And third number is minus 27 by 2. X into 2. Y square means 3 into 3 and z equal to minus 1. Now product. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18 into 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 minus 16 by 9 and 2 cancel. 3 3s are 9. minus 2 minus minus plus 243 only. Now cancel by 9 to the 18 and multiply these two numbers. Okay, now the product is minus 7, 7, 7 and 6. Now RHS is 18 x raised to power 4 y cube and z cube. It means 18 x raised to power 4 means x equal to 2. So 2 multiplied by 4 times, and y equal to 3, 3 multiplied 3 times, and z cube minus 1 की power 3. Now multiply all these numbers, you will get minus 776. It means verified. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Next, question number 6. This is the same question. Multiply these three numbers and verify for this. Okay. Now product 9 into minus 4. First we have to multiply the numbers. And now add the powers of variable. A power 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. And B power 1 plus 2 plus 2 means 5. And C 2 to 4 or 4, 4, 8. Just add the powers of the same variable. Answer is minus 36. A raised to power 4, B raised to power 5 and C raised to power 8. Now verify. Verify means put the values in LHS. A square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. B is minus 1, C equal to 1. Minus 1 and C equal to 1. This is the first number. Just put the values of this. In second, 9, A is 1 by 2. B square is minus 1 square. It means multiplied by 2 times. And C square is also 1 into 1. And third number, minus 4. A is 1 by 2. B square is minus 1 into minus 1. And C raised 1 raised to power 4. Now, 1 by 4 and 1 minus. माइनस 1 बाई 4 इंटू, देखिए यहाँ कितना माइनस है, माइनस माइनस 2 बार है, तो यानी प्लस आएगा 9 बाई 2. एंड जस्ट माइनस 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 3 टाइम्स से इट मीन्स माइनस माइनस 2. जस्ट कैंसिल 2 बाई 2. ओके, you will get the answer is 9 by 4. Now put the values in RHS. RHS is minus 36. A raised to power 4 means 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. B raised to power 5 and minus 1 raised to power 5 and 1 raised to power 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Just cut 2 to the 4. 9. ओके, अब माइनस 1 रेज़ टू पावर 5 माइनस 1 होगा, ऑड नंबर पावर है तो माइनस 1 माइनस माइनस प्लस. द आंसर इज 9 बाई 4. इट मीन्स LHS इक्वल टू RHS. वेरीफाइड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल हुज साइड्स आर 2A एंड 3A. ओके, द लेंथ इज 2A एंड ब्रेथ इक्वल टू 3A. नाउ द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू breadth. It means 2A into 3A. The answer is 2 3 ja 6 and A raised to power 1 plus 1 2. It means 6A square. Now question number 8. Find the area of rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth, where breadth is 4x. The question may given breadth equal to 4x. If the breadth is 4x, then the length is thrice of the 4x. Thrice means 3 times. It means length is 12x. And area equal to length into breadth. 4x into 12x. It means 12 4 ja 48. X raised to power 1 plus 1 2. Now last question. Question number 9. Find the area of rectangle whose breadth is B and the length is square of the breadth. Breadth is B. Let the breadth equal to B, length equal to square of the breadth. Okay, square of the breadth means b square. Then the area, length into breadth. B square into B, the area is equal to BQ. This is the worksheet 1. Okay, thank you.